We, the ñtia Integrated Territorial Organization, today issue this strong and uncompromising statement to declare our total opposition to the proposed integrated cement plant and captive power plant by Shree Cement Limited at Khara, Siang Lom Pyrshah, Daistong village, East Janja Hills. Our organization today has already submitted a detailed petition to the Ministry of Environment, Forests and Climate Change, demanding immediate cancellation of all process related to this project. The project represents an imminent and irreversible threat to the paddy field, water sources, environment and traditional livelihood system of the indigenous people in the region. According to the company's own executive summary, the proposed site is dangerously close to the community. Yesterday, I sent my member to inspect the area, and after we cross-checked and tally with the summary submitted by this Shree Cement, we found that barely 0.82 for 1.4 kilometer from Daistong village, surrounded by nutrient-rich agricultural lands and active paddy field. Dependent on 600 KLD of water, including 515 KLD of fresh water from local sources, expected to generate continuous stack emission and fugitive dust even after mitigation. This admission proves the project is fundamentally incompatible with an agrarian landscape. Cement dust, coal combustion, byproduct and industrial emission will devastate crops, reduce yield, contaminate soil and strain already fragile water system. Once this ecological damage occurs, there is no restoration, only permanent loss. We also express our deep concerns over the role of the Single Window Agency or SWA that cleared the project for consideration. The SWA is chaired by none other than the Chief Minister of Meghalaya himself. Such approval, given without transparent addressing the profound environment and livelihood consequences, raise serious questions about the government priorities and accountability. So we as an organization, we feel that development cannot be bulldozed through because it is politically convenient. Public trust cannot be undermined simply because a clearance comes stamped with high officer. When the livelihood of indigenous farmers and ecological balance of an entire regions are at stake, no authority, no matter how high, has the mandate to gamble with people's future.